Hello, today we're going to use a Ninja 1500 to make Hollywood's special banana strawberry smoothie recipe. I have my assistant right here. She's going to be putting in the items that we need today. First of all, you need about 2 cups of either frozen or fresh strawberries. Assistant, would you please dump those in there? Woohoo! As they fall. Okay? The next thing we need is 1 banana. Banana, peel it like a monkey. Oh, you gotta have some muscles. Oh. While she's doing that, I will be putting in 1 cup of what I use is Juicy Juice strawberry banana juice. No sugar added. Okay, you want to bust that in half. Whoa! Good job, muscles. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Alright, now we'll dump in the Juicy Juice strawberry banana juice. Make sure it gets inside, please. Perfect. Perfect. Now we'll need the top. Line up the arrows on the Ninja 1500 and get ready to hit it. You want to hit number 3 for us? 3. Probably should go get some ice cubes too. You want to grab some ice cubes while I'm blending this up to make it a little bit better, a little bit smoothier. All you have to do is hit pulse. All right, that looks good. I'm going to pop this release off here. Get the ice in there. Okay, better get our cup ready and our straw. I like to go a little extra because I like it super smooth. Then all we have to do, pop the top, twist it off, pour, oops, pour. All right, let's try it out there, assistant. Tell us what it tastes like. Good. Thanks for watching.